Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a custom location on your Instagram app. So first you need to open up your Instagram app. Now if you want to create a new post, click on the plus icon and then here choose the photo. Then click on next. Here you can choose filters. After you are done, you need to click on the arrow on the top right. And here you need to write the caption, tag people, and this is where you can add location as well. Click on add location button and here you need to type anything that you want. For example, if I type how to, you will see all of the results, and hopefully you will also find the same thing that you search for. So for example, if I search for how to, as you can see, if I scroll down, you will see how to location. So whatever you search for, you will see that button in the drop down menu. For example, if I search for preview, although it is no location, but it will still show me the results. You can see preview. So this is how you can add your custom location on your Instagram post. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.